Boom, 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 bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out I Am an Air Traffic Controller for demo. Yeah, man. So this is a first look demo. I never played part 1, nor 2, nor 3. But we're gonna check this out and see what it's about. Word up. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. It's much appreciated, yeah. Please check out my video on TikTok, my videos on TikTok, Jamaican J _X, and Twitter, _X _ Jamaican J4. Yeah, man. So welcome to all my first time viewers. Alright, so let's get this going, man. Let's check out what being an air traffic controller is all about. Hope I don't fuck it up. Okay. Category. So you got new, let me see, what's this? Airport. Okay. I don't know which one to go to. I got a tutorial right here. So let's do the tutorial, right? Because I never played it before. Tutorial, departure, tutorial. Alright, let's do departure. Tutorial 1, departure. I wonder why the screen gets like this all the time. The screen just gets small for some reason. I don't know. Use the mouse to look around the airport. Okay. Press start. Look for red 1325. I can't even look around. How do I look around? This is the zoom. Sky ground. Select red 135 from the ship table. Okay. So this is red 13. The aircraft that is ready to depart will ask the controller delivery for departure clearance. Okay, ATC clearance. I'm going to turn this music down a little bit. Oh, they're talking a different language. So this is a plane right here. Okay. I did select it. Now what? Oh, so I guess they're communicating. The aircraft that has received departure clearance from the controller will ask controller ground for pushback clearance. Give pushback approved with takeoff runaway in mind. Okay, pushback approved. Select the pushback direction and click start push button. Select the pushback direction. And then push this. Listen to ATC, air traffic control off, pushback approved. Okay, so it's pushing back now. Okay, change the viewpoint. Okay, aircraft. Oh, okay. Oh, so you got the tower and you got the air. Okay, cool. What's this? This is zoom. Okay, that's a nice plane. Return to the tower. Viewpoint and drag the screen. What you mean drag the screen? Okay, I did drag the screen. Understand the two viewpoints are slightly different. Okay. So when I do it this way, what happened? Oh, okay, now I see. They're trying to say you could drag the screen when you're in the tower, but you can't do it when it's on plane. So I could look around and see, okay. So he asks for taxi. When pushback ends, you will ask permission to taxi. Choose a route so that it does not conflict with other aircraft. Okay, so taxiing approved. Start taxiing. I think I'm gonna fuck up and let the plane crash, man. This thing doesn't look. Being an air traffic controller is not simple, man. If you want to stop taxiing, you can also instruct hold this position. Next, give instruction if you want to change the route during taxi. First, close the red. Close this. Next, magnify the image and check the position of blue 63. Magnify the radar image a little. Okay, so this is the radar image. And check for what? Blue 63. Okay. The aircraft seems to be stopped before blue. Change the route to avoid other aircraft. Okay. Change the route. How do I change the route though? Okay. Route change. Change the route by clicking the points you want to pass over. Change the taxi route and click assign the route. The route. Okay. By clicking the points. Okay. Ah, man, this is not simple. So that plane is changing direction. I mean, the graphics could be a little smoother though. I mean, it's early access anyway, I think. I don't think it's polished yet. Okay, so that plane is changing. And this is red right there. The red 135 is waiting right there. Okay. Listen to AC of tower handoff by instruction tower handoff. Call tower handoff. We're talking Chinese, Japanese. Next, the takeoff and landing official gives instructions of takeoff. Check if there are any other aircraft on the runway and whether there are any aircraft trying to land, and instruct accordingly. Man, I don't even remember how to instruct this thing. If you do not want to take off immediately, adjust by giving instruction to line up and wait. Entering onto the runway and standing by, or hold short of runway. Stop before moving onto runway. And where do I get all these orders from? Since there are no other aircraft on the runway, give takeoff clearance.
Runway 563, runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff, wind 020 at 8. Runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff, Runway 563.
ルートをお確かめください。
Take a look at the aircraft seen from the aircraft viewpoint. Okay. This is gonna be funny because I know I'm gonna crash some planes. Yeah, this plane is still rough around the edges, man. They gotta smooth this out. I wonder how much them people get paid to do this job. They probably get a lot of money. Okay, so this plane taking off. Okay, so now what? When the aircraft takes off, it hands over the departure controller. It hands over to the departure controller, called departure handoff. So when the aircraft takes off, you gotta do this. Let me see how it looks from the tower. As the aircraft climbs, it is passed to the next responsible controller, and the aircraft radio will come in. State that you confirm the aircraft presence with radar. Radar contact. Close the trip. Oh, so that plane is gone. As the aircraft continues to climb, it will be taken over by the area control center and now heads for its destination. Switch to the air surveillance radar and take a look at the aircraft as it continues to climb. Call ACC handoff. Oh, so it's a lot of work for Oh, that concludes the tutorial. Okay. I don't remember nothing y'all just told me. All right, so that was what? Departure. So let's try arrival now. That's a lot to take in. That was a lot to Okay, so let's do approach. That was a lot of shit. I really want to know how much these air traffic control workers get. How much they get paid. They probably get a lot. Plus, if they don't get a lot, they should. Check the current responsible aircraft. When an aircraft enters the airport's controlled airspace, aka control zone, let's look. They ain't made me finish reading it. Let's look for BLK-85 that entered the control zone. Okay, so this is BLK. First, check the position with the airport surveillance radar and select the aircraft. Adjust the size of the radar viewing as necessary. Okay. BLK-85. Where the hell is it? Since it is difficult to see BLK-8 point from the viewpoint of the control tower, switch aircraft view. Man, that should look like it's gonna fall out of the sky. The controller will inform the aircraft that it has confirmed it is within the control zone. Click radar contact. Okay.
85 Tokyo approach. Radar contact. Landing runway 34 left. Landing runway 34 left.
Confirm the arrival time and instruct route change as necessary. At this time, consider the relationship with the other aircraft and issue. Change instructions accordingly. Select the direction you want a route change. Change the flight route to the airport, this time to take a shortcut. So instead of going all the way around here, it's gonna just go right there. Okay. Oh, see, it's changing its route. The fact that the route has changed is reflected in the radar image. Yeah, see right there. This route change can also be used for separation. Instruct intercept final approach course to cancel the route change. Intercept final approach course to cancel the route change. Okay, this is it. Intercept final approach. Approach clearance. So like I said, this is like a early access game. I think it's the water is going to look much better. You can also direct landing approach clearance before route change, but be careful, as route change instructions cannot be given after landing approach clearance is granted. Course adjustment in the sky can also perform with reduced speed instructions. Reduced speed instruction adjusts the speed by slowing down the flight speed. So let me look down here. What's this? Give these instructions as necessary by looking at arrival time, position in relation to other aircraft, and the airport traffic congestion situation. When the aircraft approaches the airport, it is passed over to takeoff and landing tower for landing. Instruct Blue 2097 as it approaches the airport. Call TWR handoff, tower handoff, okay. 108. Additionally, the aircraft has headed toward the airport and commenced its final approach. Check the condition of the runway and give landing clearance. Landing clearance. Next, take a look at the aircraft landing at the airport. Okay. That's a tower view right there. After confirming the landing to the aircraft, select the departure point from the runway. Select an appropriate departure point while confirming the position of the arrival spot, distance to the following aircraft, etc. Fastest exit, of course. Have ground control take over. Okay, ground control, you could take over. So if I see no other plane coming. Yeah, I don't see no other plane coming. Let's guide the taxiway that will take us to the spot. When checking the aircraft on the ground, switch to the ground radar and let's confirm. Oh, hold on, let me see the ground radar. Okay, here we go. Confirm. Start taxiing. Yeah, why are you still standing? Oh, okay. Ms. Miyazi, Blue Airways A31 Neo, taxiing, heading 240, 10 knots. Blue Airways A321 Neo, taxiing, HDG 160. When the airway arrives at the spot, the control of the arrival aircraft is over. Spot in later that expected arrival time will result in a delay. This concludes arrival terminal control tutorial. Okay, I think I got it. I think. Tutorial number 3, runway change. In this game, you are responsible for the control of delivery, ground, tower, departure, approach. Let's learn the basics of all areas in the tutorials at the same time. In addition, in the main ready. Check the current responsible aircraft. If there are other aircraft on the runway used by the aircraft that was committed to landing, or if there is a sudden wind shear that is not possible to land. The landing may be aborted and may be attempted again. This is called aborted approach. The decision to abort go ground can come either from the pilot or controller, but in either case, after the go-around decision, the aircraft is considered to be a departing aircraft from the airport, and so on and so on and so on. Let's practice the case where an aircraft that has committed to landing must abort the landing and attempt to land again. Now look for Blue 280 that has committed to landing. Okay, Blue 280 right there. Firstly, make sure there are no aircraft on runway. So they want me to go to ground. If you check with ground radar, you'll see it is dangerous to land this aircraft here because other aircraft are already on the runway. Okay, so they want you to call ground.
Blue Air 280, go around. Execute missed approach. Going around. Execute missed approach. Blue Air 280.
Call ground. Then what? Let me see if I could see the plane. I could see it. Yep. When trying to land on a runway, when that cannot be used due to the wind direction at the pilot's discretion, a go around will automatically occur. Okay. Let's take a look at the aircraft because I don't really know what's going on here. I think he's going to do a go around. Oh, you see, they got the binoculars right here, but I haven't unlocked it yet. The aircraft flies over the runway and increases altitude. Okay, let's see that. Okay, yeah, he is flying over. Treat as a departing aircraft and hand off to the controller responsible for departures. Okay. Hand off to departure. So you got to treat this flight like it's a departure, even though it's doing a flyby. I mean a go around. I'm saying flyby. Yeah, it would be nice if this was in English. After that, we hand off to the controller responsible for arrival aircraft approach and control it again as an arrival aircraft. So now we gotta. I think he's coming in for landing now. The controller in charge of approach confirms that the aircraft has entered into the control zone and informs the aircraft accordingly. Click radar contact. After the aircraft flies a certain route, head back towards the airport again. As for control, it is the same as when controlling an arrival. Blue. By having the arrival aircraft repeat the landing attempt. Next, let's practice runway change. Yeah, they be changing the words too quick. The aircraft will land into the wind. The wind direction is displayed on the radar and to the weather forecast window. So this is the weather forecast window. When the wind direction changes, the runway to be used at the airport will be changed, and the runway that was originally planned may become unusable. With reference to the weather forecast window, predict in minutes how long before the runway will become unusable and instruct the aircraft to change direction, I guess. Change the landing runway. Change the landing runway. Here we will explain how to change the runway as an example with an aircraft in the sky. Change the radar key to sky radar. Change the radar to sky radar. Okay. Select red 354. And this is red 354 coming in. Runway change. RWY22.
Red Air 354, change landing runway to runway 22, vector for LDA 0 runway 22 approach, maintain present heading. Landing runway 22, vector for LDA 0 runway 22 approach, maintain present heading.
Yeah, they should do it in English too. This runway change direction can be indicated up to a certain distance from appearance in the sky and before pushback approval on the ground. After instructing the change of runway, the aircraft flies a course to the approach route of the new runway. The fact that the route was changed. After that, the process is the same as the control of normal arrival aircraft. Hiroshima, okay, so that's Japan. This concludes the runway change tutorial. Okay. Now. So we did departure. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared to do this shit. What's this title? Oh, go back to the title. I think I'm gonna fuck up. Let's try it. Let's give it a try. See if I remember everything they just said. Okay, let's see. If you instruct to take off with a tailwind of 4 knots or more, this will cause the danger index to rise. Also, landing under the same conditions not only raises the danger index, but also will force abortion of the landing. Go around will occur. So ensure that you pay attention to wind direction. Man, I can't even remember nothing from the first tutorial. These people are gonna die in my hands. So this is the plane right here. Oh, this is on binoculars right here. I don't even know the runways yet. What's this? What's this for? What's this for? Okay. What's this for? English, Tokyo, leaving level. Okay, they got it written in English right there. Risk increasing. I don't. What? What's going on here? Right here. This plane. Route change, man. Assign route.
White Air 34 approach vector for ILS 0 runway 34 right approach. Turn heading 150.
What's this though? Oh, that's for the, okay. I want to know how I order. Maybe I gotta wait till he gets back to me. Approach clearance. I'm giving him approach clearance. I don't see. Let me look at the ground. I didn't even look at the ground. I think he's good. Reduce speed, bro.
White Air 34, reduce speed to 180.
Where is he at? Resume normal speed.
White Air 34, comply with procedure speed.
Where is he? Stand by. Stand by.
Blue Air 81, Tokyo delivery, standby clearance. Standing by. Blue Air 81.
Okay, let me get back to this one. ATC clearance.
Blue Air 81, Tokyo delivery, go ahead. Request clearance to Sokoto Airport.
So I'm gonna let this plane get a pushback.
Tokyo delivery, clear to Hakodate Airport, route to departure, via flight front route maintain flight level 140, squawk 2111, wait back. Clear to Hakodate Airport, route to departure, via flight front route, maintain flight level 140, squawk 2111, Blue Air 81. Date park is correct. Contact Tokyo ground, 121.8. Contact Tokyo ground, Blue Air 81.
How far is this guy out? I can't see him. Oh yeah, I see him. Alright, let me see the other guy right here. I can't see the plane. It's right here though. Alright, let's see what. Let me see if I could get a plane landing up in here. Uh-oh, our next plane just jumped up here. Radar contact.
Red Air 318, Tokyo approach. Radar contact, landing runway 34 left.
当機は現在高度を徐々に下げております。
Now it's getting hectic.
ベルト着用サインが点灯いたします。化粧室をご利用のお客
I ain't changing our runway right now. We got 2 planes coming in. And we got 1 on the ground. I think this one is gonna reach. Which one? I think this one's gonna reach first though. Oh, they want to push back. Stand by, man.
Blue Air 81, Tokyo ground, standby pushback. Standing by, Blue Air 81.
Okay, so we got a lot of. It's getting hectic now. Is this plane gonna make it or what? Let me see how far they at. Looks like they far out there though. Damn, this plane take forever to reach, man. All right, man. I'm gonna give this guy a pushback. I don't know which runway to give him though.
Blue Air 81, Tokyo ground, pushback approved, heading south, runway 34 right. Pushback approved, runway 34 right, Blue Air 81.
Okay, so he's getting pushed back. Let's see what's going on in the sky. Black 9-3. What you want? Okay. You ain't ready yet. It's amazing how this plane take forever to reach here. I could see it. Let me see if I could see red. No, I can't see it. So he's way out there. So I think he's. I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh, see, he's getting pushed back right there. We just gotta watch this plane. Let me look at the sky. Stand by, bro.
Blue Air 81, standby taxi. Standing by. Blue Air 81.
All right, let me go to. I thought that plane would have been landed already. The hell is he doing? Like he's going around.
Tokyo delivery, Black Air 903.
Okay, so that one is still not in sight yet. So that's good. Okay, these guys are ready to move. Taxi approved, man. Go ahead. Okay, man. I don't even know which runway this guy's gonna land on.
Tokyo delivery, Black Air 903.
Okay.
Blue Air 81, taxi via Romeo. Echo 6, Echo 1.
Okay, you could taxi, bro. I may have him just stop short of the runway, though. Let me see what's up with this guy. Let me check up on this guy.
Black Air 903, Tokyo delivery.
Give him clearance.
Request clearance to Fukuoka Airport, spot 39, Black Air 903. Black Air 903, Tokyo delivery. Clear to Fukuoka Airport, Joga to departure via flight front route.
Runway 05. Okay, now I see the runway. He's on runway 05. He's on runway 34. And he's on runway 34. He's on runway 34 too. Runway 34L. Oh, he's on L and R. Okay, they're different. Where you at, bro? Hold this position, bro.
Blue Air 81, hold position. Holding. Blue Air 81.
Still ain't see that plane yet. Where's this plane that's supposed to be landing, man? Oh, it must be coming in. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this plane hold while the other plane lands. Push back approved, bro. You could push back.
Black Air 903, Tokyo ground, pushback approved, heading south, runway 05.
Okay, so where's the plane that's landed, man? Where is it? Jesus. Still in the air. I don't want to put this plane out there, man. And then, plus that guy look like he's coming. He's about to land right here. Yeah, there he is. This plane is going to be late for it wherever it's going. Well, yeah, but you just got to wait. That's getting pushed back. Damn, that plane take forever. Tower handoff.
Right Air 34, contact Tokyo Tower. 118 is now 2.
Contact Tokyo Tower. Right Air 34. Tokyo Ground. Runway Air 93. Request taxi.
Okay, so he's on tower. Let's see where this one is. Okay, you reduce speed, bro.
Red Air 318, reduce speed to 180.
Reducing to 1 feet. Red Air 318.
Okay. You now stand by.
Black Air 93, standby taxi.
Standing by. Black Air 93.
Stand by.
Blue Air 81, standby taxi.
Standing by. Blue Air
White Air 34 Tower, runway 34 right, continue approach.
Continue approach.
Is that two plane? Hold up.
Right Air 34.
Is that the red? Don't tell me that's red. Landing clearance.
Air 34, runway 34 right, clear to run, wind calm.
Runway 34 right. Clear to
I got
Right
two
Air
planes,
34.
man. Let's see how far red is. Distance 31. 16, okay. Let me look what black is doing, yo. Yeah, black, you wait. I gotta see this landing for this plane. I got two planes coming. Yup. So he already got... Nah, he ain't gonna go around, man. I want him to land. Oh, man, this is gonna be close.
Red Air 318, approach, cleared for ILS 2 runway 34 left approach.
I think it's two different runways, though.
For ILS Blue. Runway
One is R and one is L, right?
318.
Yep. All right, let me see. Yep. Wow, this is gonna be some show right here. I could have been let this plane. If I knew it was gonna take this long. I'd have been let these planes move. All right, black.
Tokyo Ground. Black Air 93. Request taxi.
Black Air 93, taxi via whiskey, route 5, runway 05.
Taxi via Whiskey. Route 5. Runway 05. Black Air.
Oh, damn, they was waiting all that time in the plane. My bad. I'm a bad air traffic controller. Let me see what black doing, yo. Hold that position, man. Hold that position.
Holding Black Air 93.
Let this plane land first, bro. I hope the wind is not blowing. Executing final approach. All right, bro. Let's see if I got a landing. So if I could save these souls. All right, so Black, you could go out now, man. Taxi, man. Blue, you could start taxiing too. Restart taxiing. Okay. Land them off the ground. Get red up in here. Tower hand off to red.
Contact Tokyo Tower. 118 is now 2.
All right. Taxi approved. Start taxiing, bro. Get off the runway. Okay, let's see what red doing. Landing clearance, red. You clear to land. Okay, let's see what black doing. Let's see what blue doing. Okay, so blue is going to his... Tower handoff. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. That plane is coming in for landing. That plane is taxiing to the hangar. That's taxiing to the runway. So it's black and blue now, okay? Blue is waiting for takeoff clearance. I'll line up and wait, bro. Let him line up and wait. See what red doing. What's that? Oh, 5 minutes before time is up. Come on, black. Hurry up. Don't tell me they're coming on the same runway. Black ain't on the same runway, is he? Oh, he's on 39, okay. I should tell black to hold position, you know. Yeah, you hold position, bro. Don't move. We got red coming in. Okay, you could restart your taxiing, bro. Okay, blue is waiting. Take off clearance, bro.
たします。ホワイト航空34便はただいま到着いたしました。
Okay, Red has landed. Fastest exit.
Turn right available taxiway.
Turn right, available taxi. Dead air 318.
Ground handoff.
Dead air 318. Contact Tokyo Ground 121.8.
Okay.
Contact Tokyo Ground.
See what Black is doing.
Tokyo Ground. Dead air 318.
Blue.
Spot 11.
Oh, blue is off. Okay. Red needs taxi approval.
Dead air 318. Taxi via Whiskey 8. Whiskey.
Okay, Black.
Taxi via Whiskey 8. Whiskey. Dead air 318.
Let this off. What's Black doing, man?
Contact Tokyo departure 126.1.
Contact Tokyo departure. Blue Air 81.
Okay.
Tokyo departure. Blue Air 81. Leaving 2300.
Blue is out of here. Okay. Radar contact.
Blue Air 81. Tokyo departure. Radar contact.
Blue Air 81.
Okay, blue is out of here. Let's see what Black is doing. Oh, he's still taxiing. The hell is Red doing? He ain't still there? Okay. Alright, Blue, you good. Let's see Black. Damn, Black. Taking forever. That's blue right there. Okay, where's Black? Let's see where this plane is, man. It's a long way. One minute, and Black still ain't reached it. Jesus.
Blue Air 81. Altitude restrictions cancelled. Flight level 320.
Cancel restriction. Climbing to flight level 320. Blue Air 81.
I don't even know if I did the right thing by doing that. Okay, he's good. Okay, Black, what's up? Tower handoff.
Black Air 93. Contact Tokyo Tower 118.2.
Contact Tokyo Tower. Black Air 93.
I need to take off right away, man.
Tokyo Tower. Black Air 93. On your free gauge.
Black Air 93. Standby heading 120. Runway 05. Cleared for takeoff.
皆様、まもなく離陸。
Right away, bro, right away.
もう一度、お席のベルトをお確かめください。
Oh, man. I was just about to... I didn't do so bad. I got a... Oh, shit, I got a B. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna say that. Yeah, man, it's a very interesting game, man. You got to be doing a lot of stuff at the same time. It's a multitask game. But this is where we're going to leave this demo. Thanks for checking out. Let me see what's the name of it again before I say bullshit. I am an air traffic controller for. Yeah, so thanks for checking out this demo with me, man. All y'all, all my subscribers, all my viewers, 21 gun salute. First time viewers, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is much appreciated. This demo is available on Steam. if you're interested in this kind of game. To me, I like the game. It's a very good game, man. Anything that works the brain is good with me. So, yeah. This game is built by Techno Brain, so yeah, it's a good game. Wish it was in English, but like I said, it's early access. It's not finished yet. It's not polished yet, but it should look better in the final. You know what I'm saying? In the final cut, it should look good. Yeah. But thanks for checking it out. God bless. 1.